So, what are carbohydrates? So, let's break this term carbo and hydrate. What does mean by carbo? It is a carbon, it is mean by carbon, and hydrates mean by water. So, the meaning of the carbohydrate is hydrated water. Oh, sorry, hydrated carbon. Carbohydrate is the instant source of energy. Instant source of energy, and they are classified on the basis of number of saccharides. Number of saccharides. What are saccharides? Saccharides mean by something that is containing sugar, something that is sweet. Okay, so there are three types of carbohydrates. Number first one is monosaccharide. Number second one is oligosaccharide, and number third one is polysaccharide. So, what what are monosaccharides? First of all, let me tell you about the ratio of the carbohydrate. The ratio of the carbohydrate will be written as 1 to 1. The ratio of each carbohydrate is constant. This is the constant value, constant ratio. And the formula of the carbohydrate is CN, H2N, and ON. So when we guys get the ratio of this one, so this would be 1 to 1. That is the constant ratio. So let's discuss about the monosaccharides first. Monosaccharide. So what does mean by mono? Mono means one, and saccharide means sugar or sweet. It means that it is the monosaccharide is only comprised of one sugar or one sugar. So let's discuss about the characteristics of monosaccharides. Number one, that it is easily soluble in water. Easily soluble in water. Then it is sweet in taste, and they are further classified on the basis of the number of carbon atoms. Classified on basis of carbon atom number. For example, we guys are having C3. Over here we guys are having three atoms of carbons, three number of carbons. So this would be known as triose, because it does contain only one carbon, and one carbon that are having number of three atoms. So this would be known as triose. Or we can say that the monosaccharides the molecules of monosaccharides are of different types. Are of different types that depend upon the number of carbon atoms. That depend upon the number of carbon atoms. So let me give you the example. Number first one is triose, then tetrose, then pentose. These are the sugars: triose sugar, tetrose sugar, pentose sugar. And C6 is the most common. It is hexose. And C7 is heptose. So let me tell you that the hexose sugar is used by animals, or we can say that it is intake by animals. Hexo sugar is present in glucose, it is present in sugar, and it is present in fructose, it is present in sucrose, lactose, uh, it is present, hexose is also present in lactose, because, and in milk we guys are having lactose sugar. In milk there is lactose is present. Then pentose is a naturally found naturally found sugar, that is a common sugar that is present in all the living organisms. So the formula for the hexose sugar is C6H12O6. As I told you that hexose sugar is present in glucose, so this is the formula of glucose also. Hexose sugar is a monosaccharide and the most common sugar. Pentose is the most common sugar. Pentose is most common sugar. Then there are three types of hexose sugar. Number first one is glucose. Number second is galactose, and the third one is fructose. The molecular formula of these three are the same. Molecular formula of these three compounds will remain same.